Nowadays there are very unprecedented times due to COVID, and we all are suffering. Till last year it was still under control, but this year we are getting a very bad news among our near and dear ones. Even I have got not so good news about this COVID-19. While everybody is praying for each other, let's try to see that how we can help others confidently. And remember then one tagline of flight, that while we support others, let's also ensure that we are um, making ourselves safe. I don't know, I mean, we listen from so many news channels and so many social media channels, but I can simply say that let's work safe and be safe. So today is Sunday, friends, and we are back again on the channel Share and Learn by Vikas. Today our discussion will be prioritizing confidence. When you like the discussions, please share these sessions with your family, friends, colleagues, and near and dear ones, and do subscribe this channel. Let's have a get going and starting with a power punch. Um, Today, the power punch is based on our work as well as our confidence. So it is said, and let us believe into it, that every little work is important. It is up to us to enrich it with confidence. So just share with you one where I was reading that once in NASA, a man with the broom went to the president of USA and he said, "Hello, Mr. President, how are you?" So President asked to that man that, "What are you doing here at NASA?" So he replied, "Mr. President, I am here to help NASA to put a person on moon." So do you understand? That's a power punch for today. Whatever work we are doing, let us do confidently, and then definitely we will be achieving the good outcome for those assignments or maybe the projects which we are handling. So continuing on our prioritizing confidence, we had a marathon discussions on confidence over a period of I think maybe 7, 8, 9 videos, where every aspects has been touched upon. We have even touched upon the overconfidence. So what I think that, looking at it overall in a nutshell, we have covered confidence on the whole. Because confidence gives us energy, because confidence gives us a personality, and confidence gives us ready to take charge kind of an action. So confidence stands for revitalizing others to complete their projects, as well as confidence helps us to pursue your own objectives. If we are confident, we will definitely be going to take the things forward, as we have also discussed in the power punch. So let's make our confidence contagious and provide this confidence to others. Just imagine we are a confident person, just 3% are standing as a confident person, whereas if we make these 3% to 30, so you can just imagine that these 3 people were able to do a good job. Now these 30 people will be able to do a good job. That makes us confident, and that's the way confidence is contagious. So we have now a confidence knowledge bank through this channel Share and Learn for all of us, where we have our confidence knowledge bank in the form of videos, which helps us to learn, relearn, share, and seek everybody's support to have our discussions on a confidence building techniques. We have not left anything as far as I can understand. We have looked at the how we can balance the confidence. We have looked at that how we can nurture the confidence. We have looked at how we can enrich our confidence. We have looked at how we can influence our confidence. And finally, we have also looked at that how we can inspire our confidence. And again, I'll just repeat, we have also looked at how to counterbalance the overconfidence. So whenever we want, whatever we want, go through this knowledge bank. And these knowledge banks are little different. You need not to put anything into these knowledge banks, rather than the discussions which you can, which is always invited from my side also on this channel, Share and Learn. But otherwise, as much as you can extract the knowledge from these videos of Share and Learn, I think that is the way we can enrich and prioritize and sustain our confidence. So it is more important that now we have learned this human skill of our confidence, which is a human skill. Now let's sustain this confidence within ourselves as well as make it contagious to others. So our confidence helps us to be calm and helps us to cope up with the things when our plan is not working, or if we are doing a good work, how this confidence can make our good work into a better work and in the best work. Also, confidence helps us to put a control on our life as well as on our career. Let's revisit our learnings. To sustain the confidence, we should have our own expertise. Whatever we have developed over a period of time, let's be as an expertise to others. Let's be as a confidence to others. Let's revisit, practice and do our homework on the subject which we are dealing with. That will help us to sustain the confidence. Celebrate every little victory, even the small wins. Let's celebrate. Once we have got a small win or a small victory, let's celebrate it out. Let's feel that yes, I have or we have done a good job. Let's adapt to learning. I mean, learning is changing day by day. 2 years back, whether we were so much on the virtual platform, and even then we were able to do over a lot of works. Today, we are on the virtual platforms more, and still we are able to do a lot of our works. Don't want to elongate this topic, but just 10-15 years back, 20 years back, there was no mobile. Even then we were able to be successful. We were having our confidence. So when we have developed our expertise and we are adapting to the learning, that will help us to sustain the confidence. So walk forward with confidence, speak with confidence, and make our presence felt. So let us become a confident person and sustain our confidence. Who, if not we? When, if not now? Confidence is life-changing. It helps withstand our pressures, and it also helps to boost our stamina. So let's come out of confidence and let us look at success. Success means different thing to different people. There are skills and habits which are required to be successful. So success is not making about money. Money can be a measure of success. Many of us will agree and many of us will not agree. Is there a link between a success and happiness? Maybe or may not. So let's discuss this vast and courageous subject, success, in our forthcoming discussions from next Sunday onwards. I have chosen this subject. It's not easy to discuss, but then let's look at this, because this is the subject which is liked by everyone, because everybody wants to be successful. But what are those ingredients, what are those parameters, what are those skills, what are those habits which we have to deliver to be successful? Let's start discussing from next session onward. So our topic will be, what is the purpose of success, why we want to be successful, and why drive success. So thanks for watching today's session. See you on next Sunday. Do subscribe if you like the contents of this channel, Share and Learn by Vikas. Take care, work safe, be safe.